dropped it. Oh man. You dropped it. See? I told you. Now the cookie's on the floor. Yeah, I told you. It's not my fault. It's baby's fault. It's baby's fault. Where's the cookie? Where's the cookie? Where's the cookie? Where's the cookie?
Where is your cookie, Brandan?
Where is it, Brandan?
Is it on the floor?
He's mad.
Don't tell me that it's in the floor, Brandan. So
It's on the floor.
Yeah.
No, Jorgito.
Oh, you're taking a video?
Be nice, okay? Be nice. Brandan!
I didn't.
Brandan! What you doing, pumpkin?
He's not a
Oh,
pumpkin.
I'm just asking how you doing.
He's a mad pumpkin, alright?
See? See? I'm just asking how you doing. You don't have to get mad at me. Huh?
He has to get mad at you.
Jorge,
Yes.
stop.
It's all your fault. His cookie's in the floor. You gave it to him.
Well, that's okay. We can give him another one.
You're gonna be
Brandan.
wasting the cookies.
Jorge, don't worry about it. Okay, Brandan, bye, Brandan. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Okay. Fine then. Sorry. Bye.